You wondering which bag is the best bag to buy for your DJI Mini 4 Pro? Well, in today's video, we're going to be testing out all three of these to find out which one's best for you. Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Now then, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an awesome little drone, isn't it? And if you want to go out and about and just take this with you, there's no point in lugging around a great big old rucksack, is there? Even if it is a Peter McKinnon one. Plus, if you're traveling or going down the beach, filming and things like that, like I do near water, you might want something that's a bit more sturdy and hardy and also waterproof. So in today's quick video, what we're going to look at is probably the best three that I've found anyway that's on the market. And we're going to start off with, first off, yes, you've guessed it, and it is the one that comes with the Fly More bag. Yeah, it was the Fly More kit, should I say. It is the Fly More bag. It's this little one here. And as you can see here, it's nice and compact, isn't it? And you can get everything in there. The drone slots in there nicely. Okay, you can get the controller in here like this, even with this sun protector on there. And if you're interested in that sun protector, there's a video up here somewhere because it's bloody good, and it does do a good job. Plus, you can get a couple of batteries in there. There's room at the top here in this little zip pocket in there for the props and things like that. And in the front, you can actually slot in there a nice set of ND filters. But if you want something a little bit bigger, and we haven't got the Fly More kit, sure what it there. You could go for this one. It's from SkyReat. It's got some nice decent zips on here, as you can see. And inside, when you open it up, you got plenty of room. You also get a shoulder strap with it, as you can see here. You get the controller in there. You can get the battery pack, you get the charger, okay? And also, you can get your drone in there nicely. Plus, this zip mesh bit here at the front. You can get all your props and different things like that in there, can't you? Zips up nicely. It's got a carry handle on the front here, and this shoulder strap clips on nicely on the side. It has got that funny smell that you get with these type of things. Next, we have got this one here. It is by SkyReat again, because I find theirs to be really useful. I've had these for my Avatar, my Mavic 3 Pro, my Mavic 3 Classic, my Mini 3 Pro. In fact, I've had them for every type of drone that I've ever bought when they've come out. And the reason being is because they're really strong and sturdy. They've got these lovely little locking mechanisms on there. You can padlock it down as well on the sides here, look, just here. Because if you're traveling and things like that, and you do want to put it in a hold, then you've got that extra security on it, haven't you? But something that has been missing in the past is a shoulder carry strap. Now, if we open this one up, you'll see that it comes with one, okay? And all it does is clips in here nicely on these bits, all right? Slots down in there, and same on this side here, if I can get to the strap itself, all right? Slots down in there, okay? And then what you've got is it all set up nicely to carry around in your shoulder and things like that. And inside, if we have a look at it closer, you've got plenty of room in here for the drone. You've got this extra space underneath here for the where the controller goes to put things like I don't know, ND props and stuff like that. You've got room for the charger here on the side. I put my lanyard in this piece here, but there's plenty of room there to put other bits and bobs, as you can see. And actually, if you really had 6, 7 batteries even, you could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one in the drone would make it 7. It seals up nicely like this, okay? Like I said, it's got the locks on it, but with this one, it's also waterproof. Got to get it now. And shockproof. So it's going to protect that drone, isn't it? Even if you drop it in the sea or throw it in the sea like I did, just to prove that it works. And last thing with this, as I said earlier on, it's a nice little takeoff pad, isn't it? If you've got uneven ground or sand and dust and things like that, it just sets it up nicely. I don't know about landing it on it, if it's going to be that accurate. I haven't tried that one myself, but let me know if you've tried it in the comments down below. That's it for the day, everybody. Hopefully you found this useful in some way, shape or form. You'll find links for all of these down below in the bottom as well. But if you have found it useful, do that old YouTube stuff. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. And above all, have some bloody fun while you're smiling. See ya.